Alright, in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to connect a wired keyboard and a wired mouse to an Android phone at the same time. If you want to learn that, this is the video for you. So let's get started. First of all, to achieve that, you're going to need this, okay? A USB-C hub, okay? You might have a different type, but the USB-C hub. So this has the end that actually enters the Android phone, and this part has ports that actually allow insertion of the two devices. That's the wired mouse as well as the wired keyboard at the same time. You're going to get the end of the wired keyboard. You see this? Yes, right there. Okay. Then insert it right here within the USB-C hub. Okay. That's the wired keyboard which has actually been inserted right there. Then with the remaining ports, mouse, insert as well right there. Okay, so we have both the wired mouse, the wired keyboard connected to the USB-C hub. Now this end, okay, the USB-C, which enters into this port of the phone right here. Okay, for this video, actually using the Redmi Note 14. Okay, push that right there. Okay, so you can actually see the mouse is actually lighting already. That means it's actually connected. Okay, you can actually see the cursor right there. Okay, you see, so you actually see the cursor, meaning it's actually connected already. And then this is the keyboard. So to prove the keyboard, let me just open the Notes app. So if you try to type right now, you can see that the keyboard is typing. The keyboard is connected and the wired mouse is connected, but via the USB-C hub. And that's how you connect both the wired mouse and the wired keyboard to an Android phone. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.